Okay, it's time to get up and learn the phrasal verbs of get up, get with, get. Let's learn some phrasal verbs. But if this is the first time to the channel, hit the subscribe button below because the channel is all about improving your English, expanding your vocabulary and speaking like a native Englishman. Let's get started. Let's have a look at the first two then. So, get up. Get up. Like wake up and be active. Do something. Do something. Get up. Get up out of bed. Get up the stairs. Get up in life. Do something. Be active. I need to get up early tomorrow. Oh, I need to get up early. Oh, I need to wake up early tomorrow. I need to get up early in the morning. Do you need to get up early in the morning? Don't know. You tell me. You tell me. Get along with. Get along with. Like, be friendly with someone. Oh, we get along fine. But, interestingly, this is a free word, phrasal verb. 3 words. Those work. Those are perfectly fine. Get along with. Agree and work with someone friendly. In a friendly manner. We get along fine. We get along. Along. We get along fine. We're good together. We get along good. She is trying to get along with her brother. Ooh, her brother. Who do you get along with? Or who do you get along nicely with? You tell me. So get along with, get up. Let's keep going. So number 3, get rid. Get rid. Like, don't need this anymore. Get rid of something, like remove something or throw something in the bin. Don't need it. Get rid of something. You got this thing you have, and it's not working anymore. It's rubbish, it's junk. So get rid of it. Get rid of it. Don't need it anymore. Get rid of. So to declutter. Ooh. Declutter. Get rid of things in the way. Just get rid of stuff. Get rid of stuff. Decluttering your life and getting rid of things you don't need. I don't need this anymore. I don't need this. I don't need these. Get rid of it. Gone. Goodbye. Why don't you get rid of the old clock? A clock. It's not working. Get rid of it. You don't need it anymore. It's old. It's not working. It's not very fashionable. It's a bit broken. Get rid of it. Get rid of it. So number 4, get away. Get away. Go away. Leave me alone. Get away from something or someone. Moving away from something. Move away. Get away. Get away. Get away. Move away from something. It is time to get away and have a holiday. But what's interesting is that sometimes you can use these phrasal verbs as a noun, or in this case I guess a verb really. Get away. Time to get away from something. A getaway holiday. We're gone. Goodbye. Get away. Cool. How cool is that? Let's keep going. Okay, so let's look at number 5 then. Get over. Get over. Like to overcome an obstacle or a hard time. An obstacle whether mentally, physically, romantically, or otherwise. To get over something. To overcome a challenge, overcome an obstacle. There's a hill, there's a mountain in the way. You've got to overcome it. How are you going to overcome it? Through persistence, energy, strength, determination, strength of will. Yeah. Overcome. How are you going to overcome a challenge? You're going through a hard time. Well, get through. You're going through a hard time, mentally, romantically. Romantically. You have to get over the challenge. Get over it. You broke up with her. Get over it. It happened yesterday. Get over it. Just overcome that thing that happened. Like, forget about it. You've passed it now. You've gone past it. It's over. Get over it. Or you got something to do. Get over the hill. Get over the divorce. Get over the relationship. Get over the challenge. Get over the headache. Oh, get over it. Come on, man. Get over it. Come on. I ain't got all day. So number 6. Get through. I always show to the students, like through. You're going through something. Going through. So, get through something or get through a hard time and on to the other side. Get through something from one end to get through it to the other side. To get through a tunnel. Get through the divorce. We'll get through this. We'll get through this. We'll get through this. To have like a time that something starts and an end. You know, that could be however long it could be, a day, month, year, who knows, decade, who knows, but we'll get through this hard time. Like, imagine walking through sand or water or mud. We'll get through this. We'll get through it. Yeah. How cool is that? We'll get through it. How cool is that? Let's look at one more then. So lastly, number 7. This one was a little interesting. So get wound up. Get wound up. Like get annoyed. Annoyed, angry, upset about something. Annoyed, angry, upset about something. Like, imagine a toy or a clock or a device, and you keep winding it up. There's too much inside, too much energy, too much built up emotion, too much of something inside it, and the thing doesn't work. You put too much pressure on the device or the machinery, and it breaks. You can get wound up if there's too much happening, too much things that make you angry or annoyed or upset, and you get annoyed and angry, you get wound up and an outburst, or you break down, or you don't feel too happy. Something happens when you get wound up, and anyone or anything can wind you up. So he got all wound up because of the play, because of the film, because of the book, because of the students, because of the grass, because of the weather. But what's interesting is that this is a separable phrasal verb, meaning that we can put other words in between it and it still makes sense. He got, get, all wound up, and it still makes sense. Yeah, still makes sense. How cool is that? Yeah, so get wound up. To be annoyed and too much pressure on something and just, you get annoyed. An outburst happens. Something occurs. Get wound up. Cool. Let's look at a summary. Cool. Let's look at the summary then. Yeah, all the words together. So get up. Get up. Do something. Get up. Get up and do something. Get active. Get up from bed. Get up. Get up and get going. Get up and get going. Get along with. To be friendly with someone. Yes. You and I will get along just fine. Get rid. Get rid of something, to throw it away and remove. You don't need this in your life. Get rid of something. Don't need that. Get rid. Get away. Get away. Let's go. We're going away. I'm going to get away from here. I'm going to have a getaway and go to Gibraltar. Get away. Get over. To overcome something. Get over the hill. Get over the divorce. Get over the injury. Get over something. Get over it. To surpass it and to have passed it and moved on from it. Get over it. Get over. Get through. To go through something, like a journey or a hardship or a divorce, or to get through something, or even physically. Get through the mud. Get through the sand. Get through the dirt. Get through the swamp. We need to get through the city. Yeah. and get wound up. Get wound up. Like a little machine. Too much winding up and it breaks. Too much hardship, too many annoying things, too many things that make you angry, and you get wound up, you get annoyed, you get infuriated, oh, you get wound up and it's not good for you. Not good. But what is good for you though is learning English. And if you want to watch more videos just like this, to increase your English, expand your vocabulary and speak like a native Englishman, then subscribe to the channel and press the bell notification next to it for the latest uploads. But until then, bye for now, and see you next time with English with Adrian.